Oh, finally! My package is here.
You look way too happy for a normal Tuesday morning.
You don't understand. I've been waiting for this delivery for days.
Oh, the magic word, delivery. What did you order?
Shoes. Beautiful white sneakers. I've wanted them for months.
Nice. Perfect for your morning walks.
Yes, and they were on sale. Half price.
That's even better. Okay, go on. Open it. Let's see them.
Wait. What is this?
Don't tell me they sent you the wrong size.
No, it's a blender.
A blender?
Yes, a big, shiny blender.
Wow! From sneakers to smoothie maker. That's next level shopping.
I waited a whole week for a kitchen appliance I didn't even order.
Okay. Maybe the delivery person got confused.
Yeah, but what should I say to him? I don't want to sound rude.
Just be calm. Use simple English.
Okay, something like, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake?"
Perfect. That's polite and clear.
All right, I'll do that. Hi, sorry, I think there's a small mistake.
Oh, really? What's wrong, ma'am?
I ordered shoes, but I got a blender.
Oh, that's strange. Let me check the label. I'm really sorry. It looks like the warehouse mixed things up. I'll take it back and report it.
Thank you. It's okay. Mistakes happen.
I'll make sure the right one reaches you soon.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
That went really well.
Yeah, I was nervous, but it was fine.
Okay, that's it for today's part. If you want to see what happens next, please like the video and subscribe for the next part. We'll see you in the next episode.